Rick regrets his past. As Bird Person explains in Rixie Business, Rick's catchphrase, "Wubba lubba dub dub," actually means, "I am in great pain, please help me." This is especially evident when Rick is in evil Morty's clutches at the end of Season 1. Audiences even witness him crying as he sees memories of himself with a baby Morty. Rick is clearly unhappy and it seems he regrets his past. But more specifically, perhaps regrets failing his original Morty, who he knows became evil Morty. Rick essentially created evil Morty. In the very first scene of the series, a drunk Rick drags Morty out of bed and takes him up in his spaceship. Rick states he's going to destroy humanity with a neutrino bomb he built. In response to this information, Morty forces his grandfather to land the ship and Rick drunkenly falls out of the ship saying, "It was all a test to make Morty more assertive." As he passes out, though, the ship's AI says, "Neutrino bomb activated," and the opening credits roll. According to the theory, Rick's presence in Morty's childhood corrupted Morty while making him confident and assertive. It seems that Rick killed the original Morty's family and everyone on Earth C-137 with his neutrino bomb. Presumably, Morty got Rick back in the ship and escaped with him before the explosion, and that could explain why evil Morty holds a grudge against him. How they parted from there, however, is unclear. Evil Morty is potentially Rick's original Morty. As the theory goes, evil Morty could be Rick's Morty for a couple reasons. Firstly, having been raised in Rick's presence as we see in the images, C-137 Morty could easily have been corrupted. In Close Rick Counters of the Rick Kind, he also states in the same conversation that a cocky Morty can lead to some big problems. It can be a real bad thing for everybody. Rick says it in a manner that suggests he's speaking from experience. Perhaps a Morty raised by Rick wouldn't have endured the same abandonment issues and might be more confident, maybe even cocky. The Morty that took over the Citadel of Ricks is evil Morty. The Morty that took over the Citadel of Ricks is evil Morty. Rick is not a stranger to swapping Mortys. Rick is not a stranger to swapping Mortys. There are images of Rick being present with a baby Morty. On two separate occasions, audiences are given proof of Rick being present during Morty's infancy. In Close Rick Counters of the Rick Kind. Also, in Get Swifty, there are images of Rick holding infant Morty in Bird Person's house. But if Rick was gone for 20 years and Morty is truly only 14, there shouldn't be any images of two together at this time, unless these images feature a different Morty. Rick was gone for 20 years. It isn't actually stated in the show, but Rick's 2-decade-long absence is documented in the series' description. After missing for nearly 20 years, Rick Sanchez Justin Roiland suddenly arrives at his daughter Beth's Sarah Chalk doorstep looking to move in with her and her family. Pocket Mortys suggests our Morty is not from dimension C-137. The licensed mobile game Pocket Mortys claims the current Morty hails from dimension C-145. If the title is considered canon, this offers conclusive proof that he's not C-137 Rick's original Morty. However, the television series itself also offers plenty Morty isn't Rick's original. Our Rick is from dimension C-137. Rick identifies himself numerous times as hailing from dimension C-137, and the second season episode Mort Night Run offers written proof of this. While dropping Jerry off at the extraterrestrial daycare for Jerry's aptly named Jerrybory, audiences get a glimpse at a sign-in sheet that corroborates Rick's claim.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.